Did you know one line of work that was not affected at all, in fact it was dramatically ramped up for many in the pandemic lockdowns, was the job I have, the voiceover artist, working from home in our own recording studios. Media production then and now has increased a lot, and so many of these videos need voice artists to add professionalism to the productions. Now, this course offers to you a comprehensive step-by-step learning process to help you set up your own home business, recording scripts using your voice based in your safe location at home, using the internet to sell to the world. It is perfectly possible to set up a six-figure per year income doing this. I'm just one of the thousands who have found success taking advantage of English being an international language and digital recording equipment being so reliable and so ridiculously inexpensive these days. You'll learn how to train your voice, how to set up your studio location, connect the equipment together, edit your recordings, and most importantly, how to earn a good income for your work. There's an awful lot in this course, and it comes from a team with a very solid background in the media and in voiceover. I myself have been a professional voice artist since the 1970s, back in the days of reel-to-reel tape recorders. Things are so much easier now, and there's plenty of voiceover work out there for all types of voices, of both sexes and ages. Maybe you have good acting skills and you'd like to earn income doing voiceovers. This course will help to transform you from where you are now into an independent voice talent that maybe doesn't even need theatre work anymore. You'll find out how to master the art of recording scripts, learning to sight read and interpreting scripts so the client accepts your recordings right away. How to work during directed sessions. This is when the client listens in to your recordings via headphones when you're recording and directs you. Warming up your voice, and we'll give you exercises you can do to enhance your voice for depth, for resonance and clarity as well. You'll discover the 5 key things you must interpret in any script to ensure that the client is satisfied with your recordings. You'll find out the top 3 mistakes new voice artists make with their scripts. Learn styles of voiceover for different types of scripts and applications, how to record showreels, and how to set up your own website to attract clients. Plus, we list the main global voiceover websites that you can set yourself up as well to earn even more income. Are you excited by this opportunity to join an expanding voiceover industry that offers variety and, yes, great creative satisfaction? In just a few weeks from now, you could be set up in your own home studio with regular daily jobs from clients around the world, paying you to record their scripts from documentaries to commercials, game characters to explainer videos, online promos to phone announcements. You never know what's going to be there in your inbox every day. So if you're ready, then let's get started, and I'll see you on the inside.